So you're looking for a way to make some money with your videos and your YouTube channel, but you're not even close to the 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours that you need to be monetized by YouTube. Is there a way to do it? Yes, there is. And in this video, we're going to talk about how you can make some money on YouTube as a small YouTuber. I'm Daryl Ballard, if we haven't met before, and if we have, welcome back. Before your channel can be monetized, YouTube requires that you have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in the previous 365 days. And even if you have been monetized, the experiences that I hear from most people is that very early, the payout is not very much. So in this video, we're going to discuss the 3 best ways that you can make money as a small YouTuber. By the end of this video, you will know which one is best for you. And if you stay till the very end, we're going to reveal the secret that makes sure your videos and your YouTube channel are profitable. So these 3 ways, who do they work for? Well, they'll work for any niche. You can be profitable if you are a gamer or a musician. You can be profitable if you're a teacher or an artist. You can even be profitable if you're a beginner. You can be profitable any niche, any level. There's already someone profitable in every niche there is out there, even yours. And what are these 3 best ways? Well, the first one is affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? Well, it's a fairly simple concept. It really means that you're selling someone else's stuff and you're making a commission by doing that. What are some examples of affiliate marketing? Well, one of the most common ones that almost everybody knows about is Amazon. You can get a little bit of code from Amazon, list this under your videos, and you can sell those products. Now, the commissions for Amazon products are quite small, but you can put them there and make a little bit of money each month. There are also lots of places that have offers that are available for affiliate marketing. One of those, and you can look these up, but one of those is ClickBank, for instance, where you can look up offers that you can be an affiliate for, make a commission when you recommend and sell their product. Other things that you can be an affiliate for, you've probably taken courses in the past to help you learn how to, I don't know, do a better job making YouTube videos, starting an online business. There's probably courses out there on gardening, taking care of your pets, making beautiful artwork, practically anything. You can find courses out there. A lot of those will have affiliate programs as well. Another one I like to talk about is the tools that you use to market your business. A lot of us use autoresponders, funnel builders, things like that. All of those have affiliate programs, and those are natural add-ons to whatever products you might be selling. So what's the second of these 3 ways? Well, that's brand deals and sponsorships. There are lots of companies, especially small companies, if your YouTube channel is small still, that are looking for places to advertise their business or advertise their products. You can do deals with them, either to give a shout out to their business or even make a video for them. Now, this may not work right as you first start your channel because you have very few views right at first, but fairly early on, well before you could be monetized by YouTube, you can be looking for things like this, especially if you're looking for smaller companies, maybe people you know or that friends know that you can work with and do a sponsorship or a brand deal. And finally, number 3 is selling your own product. Now, what kind of products could you sell? Well, you could have an ebook or an e-course, a digital course. There's one on so many topics out there already. Or you could market coaching for whatever niche you're in. What are the disadvantages of doing things like this? Well, if you sell your own product, first you have to develop that product and you have to figure out a way to deliver it to your audience. Second, you do have some customer service that you don't have to, like in the affiliate example. But what is the big advantage? You get 100% profit. And if it is a digital type product, you design it once and it exists basically forever. You may have slight updates to do now and then, but for the most part, you've done it once and it's 100% profit after that. So those are the 3 best ways to make some money on YouTube as a small YouTuber. Now, I mentioned right at the end that we would talk about the secret that makes sure that your videos and your channel are profitable. And what is that secret? Well, it's called multiple streams of income. You shouldn't be using just one of these. You might use several in one or two categories. For example, you could have some Amazon products that you recommend because you use them. You could be selling your own course, and you could be an affiliate for some of those tools like autoresponders and funnel builders and things like that. You need to build in lots of different streams of income, and you're much more likely to be profitable. Now, if you want to know for sure how to make great videos and for sure how to have a highly successful YouTube channel, especially if you're doing that on a small budget, check out my free 38-minute masterclass on successful YouTube channels for less. That will be the first link in the description below this video. So, what do you do next? Find out what it takes to have the size of YouTube channel that you really want. Watch this video now. I'm Daryl Ballard, and we'll see you next time.